Little fish swim in the deep, where the ocean sings them to sleep. Through the waves they gently glide, resting in the moonlit tide. Swim, little fish, in the sea. Dream where you are, wild and free. Close your eyes and drift on by. Stars above and waves their lullaby. Bubbles rise to kiss the sky. With every splash